Hello guys, this is Red from Red's Third Dimension Gaming, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Sony A7III. This is the latest camera from Sony. It is a mirrorless camera. I'll have all the specs down below because I am literally a noob at cameras, so I'm not going to try to impress you with my knowledge, okay? Still trying to get used to it. And I'm also going to show you this lens that I got also for the camera. And I tried to get this from Amazon. I've been here for a year and apparently Amazon decided I had unauthorized access to my account, but I've been in Korea for a year and they just now decided to cancel this order. I had this pre-ordered and then they canceled it and it said it'd take 1 to 2 months. So I decided to buy from Gmarket, which it's going to be the international version, so I don't think I get a warranty, but I get the camera in time because I want to take a trip to Jeju, which is an awesome island in Korea. So there is a warranty, but I don't know how it works in Korea. I heard that international warranties don't work right. Maybe I could still send it here in Korea if I'm still here. So here is this goes around your neck. This goes around your neck. Cool. Okay, that's nice because I thought you had to buy this separate. It's nice they give you that. If you buy this in the States, it's about $2,000. If you buy it overseas, I think I spent about $2,500, and to import it would be $2,000 plus $500. So it's about the same amount. There's the camera. And this is, wow, it's really big. I wasn't expecting it to be this big, but it looks smaller than the Canons that I've been seeing. And you got all your features here, top. Yeah, this camera looks nice. I can't wait. I got a lens for it. When you buy the $2,000 one, you don't get a lens with it, so you can buy bundled cheap lenses, which I wanted to do, but they didn't have any in Korea like that. They were really expensive. They're like $3,000 something, and it's not worth it for that lens that they're giving you. Yeah, it's really nice. I think the screen comes off down here, so you can point it out. So you can pull it out. Very nice. So you can look at an angle. If you're up here, you can look at an angle and still see your screen. It was raining today, so I didn't get to take any pictures. I will start trying to take pictures very soon. You guys can go follow me on Instagram and I'll have the pictures up on there. So I'm at 77 followers on there, almost at 60,000 subscribers. So if you guys do follow me, I really appreciate it. The camera comes with a USB. It's like 3.0 maybe. 3.0 cable or something. Comes with a battery. This camera is supposed to be the best Sony camera on battery life. So one of these is supposed to last a long time. I want to get a second one, but they're like $150 over here in Korea. You can get them for about, I think, $170 to $100 on Amazon, depending on where you buy it from. So they're not that expensive. In Korea, they're very expensive. And I don't have to get an adapter, at least. There's the Korean port. It's a very nice camera. I'm hoping to take really beautiful pictures. I have to get all the settings. I'm still a noob at this. Going from an iPhone to this nice of a camera is a huge step up. And we have this, let's see, 24 to 70 millimeter lens. It's a Zeiss lens, so it's supposed to be better than a standard lens. This came before, so here's the lens. This is in new condition. Hopefully it's fine. I've never bought a lens. This was about $800. The reason why I bought it like that is because the shipping cost is like $500 for the import fee. Because the seller was already in Korea, I didn't have to pay an import fee, and I had to pay like $30 for shipping. So this came fast. It came in 2 days, and it's like new condition. So I saved a lot of money by doing that. So I spent about $800 instead of $1,500. So if I'd have to get the other lens fixed, it comes with a warranty. This does not come with a warranty. So if I get this fixed, as long as it's not over $700 to fix it, it's still cheaper to have this. So yeah, this is supposed to be a really nice lens. I can't wait to use it. I'm going to try to take pictures soon, and you'll see them on my Instagram. So be sure to follow me on Instagram, Nate_in_Korea. So check me out on Instagram. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up, comment below, and subscribe. Please be nice in the comments. I know that I'm a noob at cameras, so try to be nice to me, and I will try to get some nice, beautiful pictures out on my Instagram. See you guys.